My chef kind of just pushed me to do it because he asked if I wanted to do it. I said yes, and then we kind of just did it by ourselves from there. In the competition, I had to cook a lamb rump with the cap on, with a starch and 2 vegetables. I was very shocked. It didn't register straight away at all. It took a while because it's something I wasn't actually expecting, and it was a whole new skill and experience. I've just always kind of had a passion for it, and then the opportunity came up, so I took it and I've been loving it since then. We did the basics at the start. They were good to just kind of introduce you into the kitchen in a way. Definitely some of the people, and then the lecturers are also really great, and the kitchens are also amazing. Probably a good steak. Can't go wrong with a steak.